Working with non-printable margins. Depending on the layout of your label sheet, some of the labels may not be fully printable. This is a result of a printer's inability to print all the way to the edge of the sheet. The area a print head can't reach is called the non-printable margin. If your configuration has non-printable margins, your design may end abruptly at that cutoff point. You can change configurations to avoid non-printable margin issues or modify your design to work around them. To change configurations, select a new option from onlinelabels.com/full-bleed and respond to our customer service team with your choice. To continue with the same layout, remove any background colors or full color designs and add a blank border around each label. Then, every label on the sheet will look identical regardless of its printable area.